Good morning, Kestrels. Let's going to correct our MOT from yesterday where we were doing a quiz and we were looking at our last unit from multiplication and division. So the answer should be B, 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 C. If you have any of them wrong, just stay with me. Let's going to correct it. Even if you want to stay and watch it and we correct it together, even if you have all of them correctly. And if not, at the end, I'm going to be showing you what we are going to do today for our MOT, what we are going to do fluent in 5, okay? So, the only thing that I have to say is that if you look at mine, I have them, some of them in a long multiplication. So I have them showing in a column method because it's so tricky to do it by head, and I think that's been the problem, that some of you have tried to do it mentally and it doesn't really work when you're trying to time two numbers, guys, because it's so tricky. You need to time those, you need to add with the number before, and you are not going to be able to do it mentally, okay? So the only one that you could do it mentally is the first one, because you could do it jotting. So let's going to correct it. Let's going to stop talking and let's going to correct it. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Put it there to remember. 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 is 7. So you should have 7,539. On my next one, I start on my ones. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to put it there to remember. You put it whatever. If you want it down, down. 5 times 4 is 20, add 1 is 21. 1 times 3 is 3, and I start here because it's my tens. Remember, 1 times 4 is 4, and I add it together. You should have 645. You see? Yeah. I'm going to go to my next one. 6 times 7 is 42. Put it there to remember. 7 times 8 is 56. And 4 is 60. 4 times 6 is 24. And I carry now 2 in there to remember. 4 times 8 is 32. Add 2 is 34. And then I add it together. 10, 4,042. Okay? And my next one, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 5 is 10, add 1, 11. And I add it together. 13,409. Okay, so you should have B, 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 C. Right. So we are going to see our MOT from today. That is going to be fluent in 5. So today is the June 26th of the 1st of the 21st. And we are doing our MOT, which is fluent in 5. Right. Let's going to see what do we have. Remember that these 5 exercises, and I'm going to tell you the ones that I want you to do mentally, and I'm going to tell you the ones that I think that you are going to need to show me the workout, okay? Your first exercise is 30 times 70. This one, you can do it mentally. Okay, I put a name there. Your next one is something at 7,643 equals 9,876. Just going to move it down there. Okay. This one you will need to do it written, right? If not, jotting. Exercise 3, you need to do 900 add something equals 1,700. This one you can do it mentally, I think. Okay. Number 4, 731 divided by 8. This one you will need to do it written. Let me just circle the written ones. And your last one, which you can do mentally if you want. 678 at 400. Right, that's your 5 exercises for tomorrow. Remember that number 1, you can do it mentally, number 3 and number 5, but 2 and 4, try to do it showing me the workout, otherwise you may do it wrong, okay? Have a go at it and then I see you tomorrow. Adios!